Is this an unboxing or an unbagging? Let's find out. Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile. Got another unboxing here for you today. I'm going to do it like this so that you cannot see my address. I'm sorry, this is probably a little bit loud. I like that Amazon uses these recycling bags, but they are pretty loud and they can be a little bit messy. So let's see what this is. I know it's in here, but you will have to see to find out. Very simple packaging. And this is, come on. Oh, another tape to pull off. MiniDSP. This is the regular version because I don't really need DIRAC and some of the other features that are included with the HD version. So this was $110 for the Mini. And what I want to do is set a crossover on my desktop system in there because I don't think the one that's built into the sub works very good. So I'm going to set a low pass filter to the sub and a high pass filter to the speakers, and we will see how that works. More coming on that in the next few weeks. Typical documents, probably basic startup guide instructions. A lot of this is available online. The software that is used to run this, you get a free code for that. Probably one of those sheets are. Hopefully nobody steals that. Actually, I will use it before I upload this video, just in case you saw it. And there you go. What's this? Mini USB cable, not micro, but mini, which is not as common, but that's okay. It's more durable. So that's the MiniDSP. I know there's more things in here. All right, let's see what this is. This is a Hyperkin. Wow, that's been taped up. I did not buy a used one, but this packaging is not in great condition. Well, who knows where it came from. Maybe I should spray these with sanitizer. We are still in COVID times right now. But this is a Hyperkin Wii HDMI cable. So I don't have a Wii, but my niece and nephew do, and so I got this to hook up their Wii to their AV receiver, hopefully easily. Some sort of, I don't know, electronic box there, probably do some conversion. And then here's the Wii connector, and then here's the HDMI connector. Wow, that is a long cable. See it there? Yeah, hoping this will work okay. It's not supposed to upconvert, it's just a basic HDMI cable. I think it does up to 480p, so, you know, it's not an HD converter like from RetroTink, it's just the Hyperkin HDMI cable. Wasn't really looking for that. As you can see here, this is just a basic RCA cable. Actually, this is subwoofer cable. There you go, monoprice subwoofer cable. Got this to go for the Mini HD. There should be one more in here. Yes, there is. Oh, good. I have a few of these. Monoprice, I love you, but I don't like your packaging. I wish it had a Ziploc on it rather than just kind of gonna tear into it. So no reusing that bag. But this is just I think it's a 18-inch or a 1.5 foot mono or RCA cable that I'm gonna run from my. Well, I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it. This will connect the MiniDSP to either my current DAC or my headphone amplifier. I'm gonna see how it works. I would like to use the MiniDSP as my DAC, but having a headphone amplifier with a volume knob in the mix might make things challenging. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna work on that. So stay tuned for more information about the MiniDSP. I may talk about the Hyperkin cable too. That's a subwoofer cable. And that's a USB. Where'd you go, MiniDSP? There it is. So stay tuned for more information about this. Probably do a review on it after I play with it for a while and try to set it up. But I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Patreon, as well as buy me a cup of coffee. There is less of a ongoing support requirement on the latter option there. So thanks for watching, and remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.